on, just
Let's
in
do it.
boxers. Hold on.
Oh, it's cold. Right, let's go. Come on. Let's do
What did you
it.
expect?
Let's do it.
Oh, what a fool. He's such a fool. What's he doing? Does he even realise that he's locked out?
He doesn't even know. You think we're laughing at
He
him?
thinks that we just closed the door.
You think that we're just laughing
He's
at him?
actually going to get pneumonia. Healthy.
More, Colin, more.
Oh, we've got low battery here. He's such an idiot. It was burned. He's actually burning. Look at it. You should probably open the door.
We probably should.
Yeah.
Not yet, though.
Yeah, I don't know, Thomas. He's not looking too good. He's not looking too good.
Oh my goodness.
I've never seen something so stupid in my life. You can't even speak.
I've never done anything so ridiculous in my life.
So, do you feel good?
You feel good for
I
that?
feel exhilarated. I'm alive. It was crazy.
Oh dear.
Post-match interview.
Oh dear.
You're so nasty. You're so mean. It's unbelievable.